It's my first time here in Dubai. I'm entirely impressed by its beautiful sceneries and endless fast food options, especially the Indian, American, and Philippine ones. They are available in almost all food courts. Here are just some of them we have experienced during this trip.
Cheese, cottage cheese. This is Indian cheese, and this is the mushroom and green peas.
Vegetarian,
yes. This one also is vegetarian dish. This is vegetarian.
butter chicken.
This is the butter chicken, is the best.
When I saw Julie Bean on No Reservations, I just knew it's something I must have. What a coincidence! When I discovered it in the Dubai Mall, my wish was instantly fulfilled.
Julie Bean from Philippines. Spaghetti. I already mixed it a little bit. One piece of chicken. It's small as a chicken wing. And gravy. Guten Appetit. Soft.
Filipino style.
Spicy. I'll try the gravy. It's like the gravy for mashed potato. Spicy.
Then there was Charlie's, an American fast food chain I have never even heard of before.
It's chicken. Huh? Good?
I was lucky enough to find the Arabic cafe in the Dubai Mall, one of the most beloved cafes from Japan. In Kyoto, it could have been at least an hour waiting just to have a taste of the purest coffee. But luckily, it's not the case here in Dubai. In the evening, we crossed the Dubai Creek with the public ferry. On the other side of the river, I was able to find another lovely Philippine fast food chain, Pocky.
As it's not bangas, it's bangus deep fried fish. Rice has something in it. The dry onion in it. And I have 3 different sauces. This one, spicy sauce. What is this? It's hard to say what it is. Kind of soy sauce. Kind of garlic sauce. Nice steak. I'll try the fish. And I don't have a knife. I only have a spoon. Yeah, good. Crispy. What is it? Wrap?
Subscribe yet? If not, click here. Click here, click here. Every day watch new videos at 6 p.m. Here are my 2 recommended videos. Thanks for watching. See ya. 谢谢大家。